Hey, welcome back to the series of me remodeling my room, turning it from this and to that. This is the last episode, so please watch till the end. Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again. As you already know, because I'm sure you've seen part 1 to 3, this is the closet that's already done, and my wall that was all messed up, it's already fixed as well. So please check them out. Even my vanity, my bed, and my old bookshelves is all done with. Now just watch me put them together. Go check out the other videos. That's me now fixing the bed back to just flipped positions. That's all I did with them. But I also got some bed risers from Amazon. I will post that in the description below because it needed to be done. It was too low for me. Now I'm going to be building my new computer desk because the other one just had to go. So I'm going to be building it now. So this is the new desk for my computer. I bought it from Amazon. I thought it would be bigger enough. Like you see, I pushed this here thinking that I would be able to put my printer over there, but it's too small. At least I get a chance to put my shredder over there, and then I'm gonna put papers, printing stuff over here. And there's also a drawer which I really like, but now I really gotta find somewhere to put my printer. So I've got this shelf from my old desk, and what I'm gonna do with it is put it right over here, like over there. So one thing I noticed I forgot to do was leaving a place for my hamper. I bought this from Amazon, and I'm about to use this to turn it into something. So let's see how it goes while this baby is grooming. So this drawer you just saw, I got it from Facebook Marketplace for $10, and now I'm using my old bookshelf to place of my old bookshelf so I could put them together. That way I can have a 2 drawers nightstand along with the bottom where I can put my clothes on. This is how it's looking now with the 2 spaces for the drawers, and now I just have to paint them and they'll be ready to go. This is how it's looking so far. I know it's a mess, but I do have to go through these boxes. There is 2 of the big ones, so I'm gonna finish this one first. That way I can fill up my masterpieces. I created a little thing for my bags. I don't have much bags anyway, but it's gonna fit. And then I'm gonna be look at my printer. I really like where it is right now because the kids be playing in my printer, and there I could just reach it and get what I want without them having to play on it. But yes, now I have to go. Oh, this one I was unsure. That's gonna be where my game boards go. I had to put 3 because of the way I did it, because I didn't want to put it too high and then it's like, you know, the window. So this is the only way I could fit it. Hopefully it stays. I'm gonna try to reinforce it more. But yes, so now I'm just going to be going through these boxes. So this right here is actually a piece of plywood that I cut because the canvases I had, I didn't want to cut them, you know, for them to come out bad. But I forgot to record the process because I be forgetting. I really do. But yes, this is, I'm just painting it. I got big plans for this. I can't wait for you to see it. Some finished touches. My mom blessed me with a TV, so I put that right over there. I had to remove some this painting in that one, so I put the TV over there. That way I could just focus on just editing my video over here. And I have my humidifier, air humidifier, and my carpet that I washed. And here is going to be my bags. As you can see, you guys all wouldn't know what it was and what it is. This is how it looks, and this is the one I made. This is where I'm going to be putting this basket over here for my clothes. So now I put the garbage here just for now, and then my bookshelf over here. And okay, so this is, I don't know how to explain it, guys. Like, this is going to be my background for most of my videos. Her vibe is pretty. It's not too dark, so you can't see the contrast, but the lighting, this is how it looks. I am so happy with my new haven. It did ended up being a bit longer than I expected, but man, I'm happy. I'm happy with my new room, okay? As for this, I changed it into that because it just fits better, right? Well, I'm sorry, but this is it for the video and also this series. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see every video I post. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.